Welcome to the Land Stability Report application tutorial. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to successfully apply for a land stability report. Let's get started. Firstly, type sso.sikkim.gov.in on your web browser. After successfully creating your account, navigate to the login page. Here, enter your user ID and password, then click on the Login button. Here you can see the various services available, navigate and select the Land Stability Reports. This is your user dashboard. From here, you can access various sections. If you click on the Instruction option, you can view detailed instructions on how to apply for the Land Stability Report. You can also explore the About Us section to learn more about our services and the Contact Us section for support. To apply for a Land Stability Report, locate and click on the Click Here to Apply Now option. You will be directed to the Form Fill-up section. Here, start by selecting the purpose of your application from the drop-down menu. Options include New Construction, Existing Construction, Name Transfer. Choose the required option. Next, fill in your personal details. Enter the applicant's name, father's name, select your gender, and mention your date of birth, which is optional. Then, provide your phone number. Now move on to the address details section. Select your district, block, and GPU from the drop-down menus. After that, enter your plot number. Once the address details are filled in, enter the details of the boundary holders. You need to provide the names of the individuals who hold boundaries to the east, west, north, south. After entering these details, click on the Save and Continue button. Now you'll be directed to the Documents Upload section. Start by uploading the parcha. Click on the Choose File option, select the required document, and click Upload. Repeat this process for the sale deed or cadastral map or revenue surveyor and the location map of the site drawn by draftsman or architect. After uploading the documents, click on the Proceed to Payment button. You will now be directed to the payment page. Here, you can view your application ID and the amount to be paid. Click on Continue Payment. Select your preferred payment method and enter the necessary details. After successful payment, you will receive a Land Stability Report Payment Acknowledgement Receipt, which you can download as well. Once you return to your dashboard, you can see that your application has been submitted and is in processing status. After your application is processed, you will receive a message on your phone number from the department regarding the date for the site inspection. You've successfully completed your application for a Land Stability Report. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please refer to the Contact Us section for support.